and I bet you didn't know about this secret setting. How's it going, guys? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're going to be doing a little bit different of a video. We're actually going to be talking about a new feature that some of you may or may not have heard about. This one specifically is going to be for Samsung TVs and Samsung soundbars, so if you don't have either of those, it's probably not going to apply to you. So essentially, you can use your TV speakers along with your soundbar to help amplify the sound, because as you know, TV speakers alone are not enough, and sometimes it's just nice to have a little bit of extra bass and more volume coming out of your soundbar. Now, they've actually had this compatibility for a little bit now, so they have 2021, 2022 models that are all compatible with each other with this feature. I'm going to list them on the screen. There's just so many, so I'm not going to go ahead and say every single one, but all Q level soundbars and all Q level TVs for the most part come with this feature. So we're going to jump over to the TV on the floor here that we have this set up on, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and make sure that it's on. So here we have the frame TV from 2022 and the Q600A, which is actually Samsung's 2021 Q level soundbar. And to change the audio settings so that you have everything working right, you're going to want to go into the menu, click settings, go to all settings. And when you go to your sound, you want to choose TV speaker plus soundbar. As you can see, is right there. That's how you know if it's going to work or not. And once you select that, now you can see I actually have control over both, and it's going to help amplify that sound. Now, as you guys can see, it is very easy to set this thing up. And I just want to mention that this is for Q level only. So Q600, Q700, Q800, and along with the QLED TVs. If you guys didn't know about this or you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. If you guys are currently looking at any TVs or soundbars, you know where to buy them at www.waltz.com. We got fast shipping, family owned since 1957, and we really do appreciate your business. If you do choose to go through us, just come back to the comment section and let me know. I love to know when I can help you guys make better informed decisions. That's going to be all for this one, and if you guys haven't already, check out some of our other cool videos on products like these. If you guys are interested in getting the best deal on this product, email YouTube@Waltz. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or deals.